Crypto billionaire, back with another in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. My beautiful friends, Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. And ladies and gentle peeps, we have seen some major price action in the charts. Let's go to Shiba Inu and compare. My friends, much panic is in the market. Fear and greed index. Let's go ahead and check. I have an assumption it's in the 20 or 30s right now. I have not checked. It's in the 40s. All right. It is not down there yet, but it will be. All right. 40s, that is not. We want to see more fear in the markets to drive more whales. All right. Shiba Inu is down 8%. Oh my God. 1 second, guys. All right. There we go. Much better. These charts are looking hefty right now. Hefty. Crypto billionaire is back for you. Drawing this fib level out so you can see what I can see. Bouncing off the 0.618 level. Alright. Alright, let's look. If it shows strong support here, that's natural. Very natural. Strong support meaning a big green candle overbearing this 42 level. This is on Shiba Inu. If you guys like this in-depth daily technical analysis, hit that subscribe button. If we see a candle closing above this 42 level with volume, big green candle, that is a strong support line right here, this 0.618 level. However, if we break down even lower, then we need to watch. We need to watch very close. And yes, that's all I'm going to have to say for Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is old news. This is new news. Alright. These charts are looking much more healthy than Shiba Inu, and the reason is this has way more potential than Shiba Inu does at the moment. Alright? Shiba Inu is a good project. It has a good ecosystem, good NFTs, burnings, it's good. It's just, has already had its move, alright? It's gonna consolidate like Dogecoin for a good little bit now. DOGELON Mars is up next. People are gonna start moving their Shiba Inu gains, if they have any left and they didn't sell at the 60 level like I did, into DOGELON Mars. And that will drive the price up. Binance is comparing. Binance is getting ready. They are getting ready to list this puppy. And it's just a matter of time now. So, my friends, let's get straight into the technical analysis and what we need to look for in order to start averaging in. And for those of you who have averaged in up here, you're in a perfect addition opportunity. Not yet, but I will explain exactly when a good buying opportunity will appear. And if you guys really want real-time buy and sell alerts, for real, go check out that Patreon because the spots are going quick, all right? If you don't get a spot, then you won't be able to get in. Let's get straight into this. All right. We have seen it drop down to this level. This is our first confirmation that I told you guys to start averaging in at. This is our resistance level, support level. We have broken. All right, we have broken this previous triple bottom, so this is where we are heading in the future. We need to see support around this 1250 level, and if we do see support with volume overbearing this selling pressure here, that is good selling pressure, all right? That is much selling pressure. Guys, I think this is a fake out. I'm going to be completely honest with you. These whales, they know many people's stop losses are right below this. They're going to go down and hit it and then move even higher. The only reason this is retracing is because the whole market right now is retracing as well, my friends. There's nothing to panic about. This is a simple move, my friends. This is amazing. This is honestly great to see because it will attract more big money into this coin. It will scare the weak-minded, weak-handed people out, so when we do get a pump, those people don't just sell all their bags, leading it to crash. We are in a perfect move, my friends. We are in a perfect move. Let me just pull out the fib level for you guys to reassure you. Just listening to Disney music. I'm going to turn it up for you guys because this is beautiful. Oh, that's the power button. The heck? Alright, there we go. Had to be. Alright, you see this? We are showing support around this level. That is the 0.5 level. And that's what we like to see, my friends. We want to see support around here. Alright? If it drops even lower, which it very well could, that is 100% fine. And I will confirm you guys when to get in. This is not financial advice. This is simply when I am getting in and my opinions of a crypto billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, what we want to see is a strong green candle showing support. We have seen some major selling pressure here, which is normal because it came down and hit these people's stops, all right? We are getting the weak people out before our next leg higher. My friends, that is exactly what we want to see. Only the strong and patient wins. Remember, only the HODLers that are patient make money in these markets. So this is what we need to look out for in order to gain confirmation and get in a beautiful point. So here, if we have another candle that comes up and closes above this previous red body, that's a bullish sign that we will continue moving to the upside. That's what we need to look out for, to the upside. To the downside, if it closes below this 0.5 level, that means we most likely will be heading down to these 1248 levels. And once we get there, what we want to see is the same thing. A push off with extreme buying pressure. Now, my thesis still holds strong. These big players that are down here, they don't want this going back down. So they're going to hold it up. Alright? This is getting way too much exposure all around the world. And it's crazy. It really blows my mind how people don't take advantage of opportunities like these. But when they see it skyrocket like this, they don't take advantage, but they throw their money in blindly and don't wait for a dip. And guys, if you are interested in learning how to recognize these dips, how to get in before them and scale out as they happen, email me about my pre-course. I'm making a course that will teach you guys all the in-depth technical analysis you need in order to become an independent trader. And it is 75% off right now. So email me at mycryptomoves.com. mycryptomoves@gmail.com if you are serious. I don't want to be messing around with any lames, okay? If you're not serious, don't email me. This is what we need to come down to. 1248 levels. Push off with volume, showing a strong support around these levels. If we break those levels, then we will be heading down even farther. We will reassess at that moment because this is an extreme buying opportunity in of itself right here. If we head back down to this 618 level, we need to watch very carefully. Very, very carefully. We need to see support here or else it could be showing bearish momentum to the downside. Alright, my friends? There's nothing to worry about right now. However, if it moves down here, we need to watch. And we need to watch closely. The 1080 levels, alright? So, yeah. Let me get in here and show you guys exactly what I mean. So here, if this candle starts to show big buying pressure, it's showing selling pressure because it's hitting stop losses right now. But if it starts to show big buying pressure and this next green candle closes above the previous body, which is at 15, that's a bullish sign. If it comes down to this 1246 level, shows support, pushes back up with a big green candle with volume, closes in the 1370 levels, above 1350s with volume, that is another bullish sign. If it breaks through this, we will be heading down to the 10 levels, which are around here. This is our next level we need to watch out for. Let me clear all this out for you guys so I can draw it. Ah, what a beautiful song. Alright. Yep, this is what we need to look out for. Look for volume. Right here. Boom, boom. Okay. This is our next line of support. It aligns with the bottom of the rectangle we just drew. But, yes, we need to start seeing in this range good buying pressure, alright? In order for it to this is a good, it's not a good time to be panicking. Right now is a time where you should be excited because we are getting discounts on our bags, my friends. Even if you are in the negative, you should consider adding more. This is not financial advice. This is simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. I am telling you guys what I am doing and how I have been successful in these markets. My friends, patience is key. Become emotionless because we are heading to Mars and you do not want to miss the trip. Okay, we are seeing extreme selling pressure right now. Let's go to 30-minute charts and see. Alright, we have broken the 0.5 level on the 30-minute charts along with the triple bottom. So yes, we are heading down to those levels. We are heading down to these 1283 levels. 13 levels. Alright? So, I'm so excited. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What we do need to see is support around these 1280s. Alright? It's heading down there quick. We could even see it in this video, but I don't want to make this video too long. That is extreme selling pressure. And I do believe we will see extreme buying pressure here soon. My friends, there's too much hype around this coin. Too much hype. This is amazing. I love seeing this. I love seeing this. This is natural because it scares the weak-minded out. All the weak are selling. All the strong will be accumulating at this moment. Not full bags. They will be averaging in. And that is why there's not a spike every time a whale averages in. Because whales are averaging in on each dip. That's what we do here. Whales are averaging in before the spike. They're not averaging in while it's spiking. They are taking profits while it's spiking. And that's what you will learn in this technical analysis course that I'm creating. If you're interested, shoot me an email because, guys, the pre-sale ends December 3rd. And you don't want to miss out on those hefty gains, all right? Look at this. Beautiful. Yep, guys, that's what we need to watch out for. 1280 levels. If it shows support, consider accumulating. I am accumulating at this moment. So I'm happy to see these prices dropping. It's going to attract much more big money into this. And possibly even a Binance listing because they can get a bunch of coins for cheap at this moment. Once they buy that up, then they will list it, pumping what they have, selling it out to those who want to buy at the top, while we are also scaling out. And guys, we are in for a ride, my friends. We are in for a ride. Just hodl strong, and tap in for daily in-depth technical analysis. I don't know if my computer is bugging. Okay, it's good. We are down 10% now. The SHIB has broken its 618 level. This is amazing. This is honestly amazing. Ah, my goodness. Because we saw exactly this amount of fear right before this last spike. Now, it might take 1 to 2 weeks to recover for those whales to buy their bags over time so it doesn't make a big influx in the market like this. But it is inevitable that we will see a reversal because the markets never go down forever. My friends, hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis videos on DOGELON Mars, and go check out that freaking Patreon if you don't want to be staring at these charts all day long and you want to get in-depth buy and sell alerts, updates on the market, and you can even, if you get the good Patreon tier, you can learn how to spot these on your own. My friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, peace!